Hey guys, it's Allayna. Welcome back to Allayna and Geo. Today we'll be making a really easy 2-ingredient Choco Ripple Dessert. Hope you enjoy. The 2 ingredients you'll need are Choco Ripple biscuits and thickened cream. You can experiment this recipe by changing the type of biscuit you use. We decided to stick to the original Choco Ripple biscuits because of its dark color. The dark color allows a contrast between the white cream. The first step is to pour 1½ cups of thickened cream into a bowl. You can always give and take according to your preference. Now we're going to beat this until it becomes very fluffy. If your biscuits aren't sweet enough, you can add a few tablespoons of sugar. As you can see, it has come out in a very fluffy consistency. Now we're going to lay a thin layer of cream to the bottom of the plate. Spread this layer evenly with a spoon. Get 1 cookie and generously apply a layer of cream and stick another cookie to it. Place this onto the plate as shown. Now repeat this step until you have filled your plate with cookies. Now with the remaining cream, coat your cookie construction thing until you can no longer see any cookie left. Some people like their cream very rich, so you can spread it according to your taste. Now this is completely optional, but if you want you can always add some sprinkles as decoration. In this case we're using hundreds and thousands. Place this into the fridge overnight so the cream will sink in and make the biscuits stuffed. This is the final product. When serving, make sure you cut it diagonally to see the layers of cookies and cream. Now let's see how my family enjoyed this dish. My mum and I love sweet things, so this automatically became one of our favorites. My dad and brother, on the other hand, are a bit more picky, but even they enjoyed this a lot. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check our Instagram, which will be linked into the description box below. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, feel free to comment down below and we'll always be ready to answer them. See you guys in our next video. Bye!